Hey everybody, welcome back. Sive here with forexpeacearmy.com. Let's have a look at what's going on the gold market as usual. So here you can see that actually performance stands quite in a row with our trading plan. So we suggest downward action, set some targets recently, and in fact market now stands at the next one. So it's 45.50 approximately that I talked yesterday. This is intraday 618 support area. Next one here will be the 44, but in general our minimum target that we're considering based on the weekly pattern that we are now following stands around 41. So our suggestion that market has to at least retest the lows, reach the lows. In fact, this will be the extension, this A, B, C 618 extension down. That's the minimum target of the pattern that we're trading. So what we could do today, market is not oversold, overall context remains bearish. On the fall time frame chart, I'm not sure that we definitely will get the good entry opportunity once again around this support area. This support is not very important, it's not very strong, so we can see it's from this reaction point. Next target with this ABC pattern that we are considering stand around 44. Once again, it agrees with the next support area, which is a major 618 support. And based on overall action, I would say that, well, actually, if we will get kind of the ABCD to the upside, that's great. So maybe we will get the chance. But for now, it seems so that market could form another downside leg first. So first of all, on the daily chart, on the 4-day time chart here, you can see that we have not bad thrust. Theoretically, this is the bread and butter sell trade, but unfortunately, we just started the video here as mostly it is played out already. You should see the downside action. On the hourly chart, overall performance, if we suggest some patterns that might be formed here, well, it hardly will be the hand shoulders. Although we have the 618 extension, the performance here doesn't correspond to hand shoulder shape. Usually here market should move higher. Correspondingly, one of the patterns that might be formed is a 3 drive. So market could reach the 44.65, and then maybe some data will be released. Gross domestic product, United States or something, maybe geopolitical event will happen. That could start some pullback around the same area where market stands right now. But at the current moment, I do not want to consider taking, first of all, we're not considering taking any longs because we have the strong bearish context. For taking the new short position, minor support area, and this will be the big question where you place your stop in the current situation. We do not have currently clear downside continuation pattern. So it might be a lot of volatility today. Maybe we'll get it later if data will be weaker, for example, and we could get better opportunity than trying to jump in right now. So here's probably it makes sense to do the same as we intend to do on euro currency. Just wait when the data will be released and see what will happen before making a decision. That's into what's actually what we have. In fact, I do not care a lot whether we will get it or not, because actually, if we will get it, we will take it. If not, then we just will consider chances for a re-entry somewhere later, because we do not intend to take any long position, and actually that doesn't present any risk for us, the possible pullback, and it's dead. So that's actually what we could say currently on the gold market. As a bottom line, context remains bearish. We keep the shorts that we already have. Nearest target will be around 44. For position taking, we prefer to wait when the major data will be released and watch what will happen. If we will get good bearish continuation pattern or more extended retracement to the upside, that might be a good chance. But to jump in right now before this data, before the weekend, I think that it's not very good idea.